Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Zule. In this video, we're going to learn to install the latest version of Tailwind CSS, which is version 4. As we know, the latest version is here and it comes with tons of updates and improvements. So we're going to learn to install these new updates with Vite. Let's just get to it. So first off, you need to visit the official website of Tailwind. I'm right here on the website. This is the official website. Okay, then you're going to click on the documentation. So in the previous version, we used to have Vite in the framework guide, but now we have a tab for Vite itself. This is a very good update. So since we're installing this CSS as a Vite plugin, it's now very easy to just navigate here. So we're going to follow this installation process. Before that, we need to create a project folder for our React. So to use Vite as well, you need to have Node.js. So visit the official website as well and install Node.js as well. So I'm going to open my code editor, which is going to be VS Code, and we're going to follow this installation process after I've created the project folder. Okay, so this is my code editor. I'm using VS Code. I'm going to navigate to terminal, click on new terminal. So right here we have the new terminal open. To make things easier, I'm going to be creating a project folder in my desktop. So I'm going to change directory to the desktop, cd desktop. I have a folder where I create all my YouTube projects. So I'm going to change directory to that folder as well. So I'm going to cd YouTube projects. Okay, so now I'm in the directory here, the YouTube project folder. Now I'm going to create the project folder for this new updates that we want to learn. So we're going to use this command, npm create Vite at latest. It's going to be Tailwind updates templates React. So the name of the project folder is Tailwind updates. So you're going to click enter. Make sure you're connected to the internet for this to work. So now I'm going to change directory to the project folder Tailwind updates. Click enter. Now you're going to run this command, npm install. So I'm going to open this. Now that I've installed, I'm going to open this project folder in VS Code. So I'm going to run this command, code space full stop, then click enter. So this is the project folder here. Let's make it bolder so we can have a larger screen. Now we have all of this. So let's see. Navigate to terminal, click on new terminal. Then I'm going to run npm run dev to open it in our local browser. Then I'm just going to click on the link, follow link. So this is what we have now. Okay, so our React is working now. Let's install Tailwind CSS. We're going to follow this installation code. First off, we're going to copy this, open a new terminal, and we're going to paste what we've copied. Click enter. So while this is installing, you're going to open the vite.config.ts in your code editor. I'm going to show you now. But first, you need to copy this line of code. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, Tailwind is installing. So we're going to open vite.config.ts and we're going to paste the line of code that we just copied earlier. And then we're going to copy this Tailwind CSS plugin as well. Copy this as well. And then right here in the plugin, after React, add a comma. Press enter and paste the Tailwind CSS also. So it's going to be a plugin here as well. And then for our global CSS, we're going to copy this. And right here in our index.css, we're going to paste what we just copied here. Okay. Next is to run on the terminal. Since we've already done that, we have that open already. So the next step is to start using Tailwind CSS in your HTML. Okay, so let's style. So Tailwind has been successfully installed, as you can see it here. Okay, so I'm opening my app.js, and so where it says Vite plus React, I'm going to change this to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's get to 1K. So here, let's style. Class name. I want the font to be bold. Okay, before styling, let's see what the font actually looks like before. This is what we have, right? So let's start now. Let's change the look of this. The look of this subscribe to my channel. Let's change it. So here I'm going to add class name. Okay, we have that already. I want the font to be bold, and the text color I want blue. I want this deep blue. So let us see. Okay, so this is what we have. We have the text as bold, and we have the color as the text color as blue. Okay, let's try and change the background color for this button as well. So right here we have the button. So here, class name, background, let's have green, just mixing colors. So we have the background color as green, although we have the color, the background color for the button here for the regular CSS. So I already changed this. I made this a comment already. That is why the background color here is working. So I'm going to change the text color as well. Let me just choose this amber 300, or just mixing a bunch of colors. So this is working perfectly well. The setup is working. So guys, this is working. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment on what you want me to build next. Thank you.